Namaste. Hello everybody. Today we will see the ShatDarshana and the Astik Nastik Darshana, orthodox or heterodox darshanas. So these are some of the Bharatiya Astik and Nastik Darshana in yoga, which we are going to discuss now. First, let us see what is Astik. Astik means theist and Nastik means atheist. Astik, it's derived from a Sanskrit word asti. It means it exists or it is. It means indirectly who believes in existence of self or soul. Sometimes it is reversibly used with orthodox also, but it is different. Nastika means not, na astika means the contrast of astika. That or those people who deny all perspective definition of astika or who believe that astika is not correct or they do not believe in soul or self. Similarly, there are two different definitions which exist like orthodox philosophies, they are ShatDarshana, and non-orthodox or heterodox. So ShatDarshana, they are like Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Samkhya, Yoga, mimamnsa and Vedanta. And most of the heterodox or Nastik, they are Buddhism, Jainism, Charvak and Ajivika. Let's go to the some of the orthodox philosophy or Vedic philosophies. Nyaya philosophy, it is devised by Akshapada Gautama. Sage Gautama has derived Nyaya philosophy and it is very logically towards acquiring knowledge. Nyaya Sutra gives this philosophy 6th century BC. It's a school of logic. So sometimes they ask who has derived Nyaya philosophy. Vaisheshika, Kanad sage Uluk Kanad has derived it at the same time as that of Nyaya philosophy. And these Vaisheshika Sutra, they have also mentioned about atoms and state of matter, chemical properties, the molecules, these are all given in Vaisheshika. Kanad sage has devised it. Sankhya, devised by Kapil sage, and at the same time 6th century BC, and this is regarding the consciousness and the matter, is also sometimes known as enumeration school. Yoga, you all know, this Maharshi Patanjali has compiled the sutras of it, Yoga Sutras, and this has actually devised around 2nd century BC. This is actually Sankhya plus Astika is yoga, devised by Maharshi Patanjali, who was the disciple of Panini. And Purva Mimamsa is devised by Jaimini, 4th century BC, and it gives more about dharma as a duty, and it is more emphasis on a Vedic traditions or traditions which are given in Vedas. Uttar Mimamsa, Badrayan, 4th century BC, and It gives the goals of Veda or what is Upanishadic traditions which is given. Coming to some of the questions which are generally asked in level 3, sometimes in level 2 also. Which philosophy gives concept of atom, chemicals or properties of chemicals or molecules? Answer is Vaisheshika and given by Sage Kanath. Whether Sankhya philosophy is Nastik philosophy? True, because Sankhya plus Astik is yoga philosophy. So yoga is Astik plus Sankhya philosophy? Yes, it is a combination of Sankhya and Astik philosophy. Uttar Mimamsa and Purva Mimamsa are part of ShatDarshanas. Sometimes they ask this, and yes, true, they are part of ShatDarshanas. Say Gemini was disciple of Ved Vyas. What darshana he has formulated? Answer is Purva Mimamsa. Who formulated Nyaya philosophy? Akshapad Gautama. Some of the key questions which I have given here. Thank you so much. Thank you.